Guys, I hope all of you are doing well. So today our topic is mesothelioma. What is a mesothelioma? Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer that primarily affected the lining of the lungs. Although it can also affect other organs such as the abdomen or heart. The primary cause of mesothelioma is the exposure to asbestos, a mineral fiber commonly used in constructions material, consolate and other industrial products. So diagnosis mesothelioma can be challenging as its symptoms often may mimic those of other respiratory conditions. So these symptoms may include shortness of breath, chest pain, persistent cough, fatigue, weight loss, and fluid build up in the affected area. If mesothelioma is suspected, doctors may conduct imaging tests, biopsies, and other diagnostic procedures to confirm the diagnosis. So, treatment options for mesothelioma depend on various factors, include the stage of the disease, the location of the tumors, and the overall health of the patient. Common treatment approach included surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. In the case, a combination of these treatments may be used to achieve the best outcome. So, surgery aims to remove as much of the tumors as possible and may involve removing part or all of the affected organs. Chemotherapy utilizes powerful drugs to kill cancer cells and may be administered orally or intravenously. Radiation therapy uses high energy beams to target. Surgery aims to remove as much of the tumor as possible and may involve removing part of all the affected organs, and chemotherapy utilizes powerful drugs to kill cancer cells. It may be administered orally. Intravenously, radiation therapy uses high energy beams to target and destroy cancer. In addition to these standard treatment options, emerging therapies such as immunotherapy and targeted therapies are showing promise in the treatment of mesothelioma. These innovations approaches aim to enhance the body's immune response against the cancer cells or targeted specific genetic mutations present in the tumor. So, give the link between asbestos exposure and the mesothelioma. Individual diagnosed with the disease may consider legal action to seek compensation for their medical expenses. So, lost wages and other damages lawsuits and trials related to the mesothelioma often involve gathering evidence of asbestos exposure, identifying responsible parties, and administrating the causal between exposure and the development of the disease. It's important for anyone diagnosed with mesothelioma to consult with an experienced mesothelioma attorney who specializes in asbestos litigations. These lawyers can provide. So it's important for anyone diagnosed with mesothelioma to consult with the experienced mesothelioma attorney who specializes in the asbestos litigations, and lawyers it proved guidance to the on the legal process. So, help identify potential source of exposure and the proceeds compensations on behalf of the affected individual and their families. So, in summary, mesothelioma is a serious and often fatal cancer primarily caused by exposure to asbestos. Diagnosis